Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Kate. If you are not new, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Tuesday, March 22nd. It's 9:30 in the morning. I just showered and I'm in the process of getting ready for the day. I decided I'm not gonna put on any makeup today because my skin is, I mean, it looks fine right now, but I have some pimples going on right here, like on my hairline, and I'm pretty sure it's from not drinking enough water, not eating the greatest, and my stress levels have just been all over the place with moving and just new life changes and experiences. So I decided that I'm gonna give my skin a break today because I haven't had a day where I didn't wear makeup all day in so long. So today is a no makeup day, but I just got out of the shower. Like I said, I didn't wash my hair, so I'm gonna throw in some dry shampoo. I have this Clio and Cocoa dry shampoo and body powder, it's called, and it looks like this. It's talc free and it's like natural powder, so I really like this stuff actually. So I just kind of like shake it and it comes out like literally powder like baby powder or something, and it's like quite messy, but I just put it all like in my root and blend it out as much as I can because obviously I have really dark hair, so I don't want to look like this. So I just try to blend it out really well. I think it's all blended. I think I'm just gonna throw my hair up in a clip. I have this blue clip from Christina, actually gave this to me. She gave this to me for part of my Christmas present. She got me the jet lag mask, and it's an MEJ clip, which I didn't even realize until recently. It's like MEJ X Summer Fridays. So I'm just gonna throw my hair up in a clip today and call it a day. This is my outfit I'm wearing. My Skims Fits Everybody top and these pants from Aritzia, and of course my slippers that I literally always wear. Just a very chill outfit, but I figured for this vlog we could have like a self-care kind of moment. Like I was saying, my stress levels have just been through the roof and I've just been really stressed and like all over the place. So many life changes. I've just been so busy. Last week was such a busy week for me, especially on Friday. I had so much work to do and I feel like I just need to take a breather and relax. But yeah, so this morning I had some breakfast. I did a workout. I'm actually filming a week of workouts, so that will be up after this video. So be on the lookout for that. But I did a bike ride on the Peloton. I have to put on my rings because I feel so like weird without my rings. My most recent ring to my jewelry collection is this one right here. It's from Missouri, and Zach actually got it for me. I have a jewelry collection on my channel if you would like to go watch that, because I always get questions of where my jewelry is from and everything like that. So I will put that, I forget which side it is, either this side or this side. You can go check out my full jewelry collection. And speaking of self-care, I got these face masks in the mail the other day from this company called Loops, and I see these everywhere, like all over Instagram and all over TikTok, and they look so fun. So I'm excited to do one of these tonight. They have clean slate, weekly reset, night shift, sunrise service, double take. Like they just look so fun and so cute. So I'm excited to try one of these. I think I'm gonna do it tonight. I was gonna do it this morning, but I feel like just doing a face mask in the morning is kind of pointless because I don't know, I feel like face masks are better for the nighttime, but I'm so excited for these because they just look fun and cool. So I'm gonna do one of these later on tonight. A yogurt bowl right now, and I'm not gonna get into the details of it because I feel like I show how I make my yogurt bowls all the time and it's probably so annoying, but I wanted to show you this yogurt that me and Zach have been loving. Zach is like obsessed with it. It's called the Greek Gods Greek yogurt in the honey flavor, and my mom actually bought this, but she gave it to me because she wasn't that crazy about it. But it's like so thick and creamy and it tastes really good. It's seriously like ice cream. It has a lot of sugar in it. Like, if you know, I usually love this yogurt. Like, this is my all-time favorite. It's the Dannon Light and Fit yogurt, but there's not that much left in here, so I'm just gonna use it up. But it's really good. It literally tastes like ice cream. But I'm just gonna make my yogurt bowl for a little snack because I'm hungry. Another form of self-care is keeping your space clean and like being productive and being tidy. So I've been doing laundry, like I feel like it never stops. Like, there's just so much laundry. So I just took these out of the dryer and I'm gonna fold my portion. Zach can do his, but yeah, I just feel so much better about myself and happier and just more calm when my space is clean, my laundry's done, my bed's made. Like, just little things like that. You really don't even notice it until it's done, that like, wow, it really does make me feel better. This is so random, but I went to the mall with my mom the other day and we stopped in Abercrombie & Fitch. It's like one of my favorite stores for jeans and just like basic pieces. And their jeans are just like amazing. So I ended up getting a new pair of jeans. It's the relaxed high-rise jeans, so I'm gonna try them on for you. They're so cute. They're just like mom jeans basically, and I love like the light wash, and it has like a little bit of distress at the bottom. And then I got these pants. They're kind of like cargo pants, and they have like pockets on them, and they're cinched at the ankle, so they're super cute. And then I also just got this t-shirt. It's the Soft A&F collection, but it's just like a basic gray t-shirt. If you know me, you know I love gray. But I'm gonna try these on for you because I like totally forgot that I got this stuff this weekend. So these are the cargo pants. These look so cute, especially with this top. I feel like it goes really well together, but they're just so super cute. I love these for the spring and the summertime. And I don't know, I was just like envisioning wearing them with like this shirt and like a pair of heels or something, and like going out to dinner. I don't know, I just love them because I don't have any pants like these, so super cute for the springtime. And these are the jeans. They just fit so well. Abercrombie has the best jeans, and no other pair of jeans fits me besides Abercrombie. Like, they just fit so good, and so many people can agree with me. I see all the time on like TikTok and Instagram and stuff, everybody raves about Abercrombie jeans. So they're so cute. Like, they just fit so well. I love the wash of them, and they're like a little bit distressed right here too. Super cute. I'm probably gonna put some of my other jeans up on Poshmark because they just don't fit me right, and I don't really wear them as much as all of my Abercrombie ones. So be on the lookout for stuff on my Poshmark, and I always link it in the description of my videos if you want to check out my closet and buy some of my old pieces. But just wanted to show you these really quickly because they're so super cute. And I'm not gonna put the shirt on just because I don't feel like taking the Skims top off, but it's just a basic kind of cropped gray t-shirt. It's like super soft. I don't know, I just love basic pieces like this. But that's all I got. So it's 1:15 right now. I'm about to head out because I need to get out of the apartment. I feel like I'm going crazy when I'm just like inside all day. And I'm actually gonna go to my mom's because we're gonna do some grocery shopping together. I'm gonna head out right now. And yeah, I feel like just getting out of the apartment is so important and not being inside all day because I haven't gone outside today and it's 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna leave and I will see you soon. I just got back home. It's 6:15 right now and I'm gonna do a little mini grocery haul since I told you guys that I was going grocery shopping with my mom. Me and her just did a little mini shopping since she didn't need that much. We didn't really need that much, just like essentials. Like I feel like all of these things are my grocery staples, like everything that I always need to have stocked up. So over here we have these Newman O's. They're basically like Oreos, but they're so much better, like I swear to you. And they're made with organic flour and organic sugar. I think I showed these in my night routine and I was like, they're literally so good. So I picked these up. I also picked up some sourdough bread. They didn't have the one that I usually get, so I got this one. It's called Gold Miner Bakery. So just your average sourdough bread. We also got a thing of eggs, and we've been going through eggs like no tomorrow. So I got a thing of 18 because Zach has eggs like all the time now too. So I got those. I also got these little taco seasoning packets because we have some ground turkey that we're probably gonna make soon. I also got some chicken tenders. I love getting chicken tenders because I feel like they're just so much easier to cook rather than like chicken breasts because it's like so thick. So I always get chicken tenders. So little life hack for you. And then I picked up some strawberries because I have like a weird obsession with strawberries right now. I don't know what it is. So this is my favorite berry at the moment. I also got some blueberries because gotta love those, some bananas, clementines, 3 avocados, and some spinach because we're going through spinach so quickly now too because Zach is using it for his smoothies. He likes to make little breakfast sandwiches with some spinach too, so I picked some more up. And then lastly, I also got a little thing of orange juice. It literally looks so tiny now that I'm looking at it, but I didn't know like how much we were gonna go through. Like I didn't know if we were gonna use it all because I don't know, I was just having like a weird craving for orange juice and I just decided to get the little one because like I said, I don't know like how often we're gonna drink it. So that is everything that I got at the store, and like I said, these are like my staple items. Like I always need to have sourdough bread, always need to have eggs, like this stuff, chicken, avocados, clementines, fruit, spinach, all the good stuff. So that is my little mini grocery haul. So this is going to be my dinner. I made chicken cutlets yesterday. I did almond flour, eggs with some almond milk, and then dipped it in some breadcrumb and just did it on the stove. And then I'm also having some quinoa that is actually from this little bag right here. I get these at Shaw's and they are so good. You literally just steam it in the bag in the microwave. And it has quinoa, zucchini, and a little bit of sweet potato. It's seriously so good, and I'm not a fan of quinoa, but I really enjoy this. And then I am just having a sweet potato that I just made in the microwave because, you know, we love simple, quick, and easy over here. So I just like poked holes in it and wrapped it in a paper towel, threw it in the microwave for like 5 minutes so it didn't explode. That's why you have to make sure you poke holes in it. Threw on a little bit of butter, and this is going to be my dinner. I'm so excited. I haven't eaten anything since like 2 o'clock. So I'm so excited for this right now. Just washed my face and threw on my PJs. I'm wearing this PJ set from Revolve, which I've showed before on my channel. It's so soft and comfortable, and I'm just in love with PJ sets. So I'm gonna do one of the Loops face masks that I showed earlier. This one is called Night Shift, and I'm excited to open it up because I've seen these like everywhere, like I was saying, and they look so fun. It's like so big. I'm dying to know what this looks like. I feel like I have a tiny face and sheet masks usually don't fit on me. This is so weird. So confused. It's like soaked in serum or whatever. I don't even know what is going on, but it's in like this little plastic thing. I'm gonna open her up. I think it comes in 2 separate pieces. Yeah, okay, so this is the first piece. This is gonna look so scary. I'm honestly terrified. It's so slimy, oh my god. Like, how do you put this on? Ah, I feel like I'm putting like a piece of cheese on my face right now. Oh my god, I just ripped it. Oh my gosh. Why is this so difficult? Does anybody else have this amount of trouble with a sheet mask? I keep ripping it. No. Okay, hopefully Zach does not call me. He's still at work. He should be coming home soon, but this is really scary. But it's like honestly fun, but I feel like I look so scary, so I'm very sorry right now. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Oh my god, this feels so nice. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I just feel like it looks so scary. Like, I look like a serial killer right now. But I don't know, like the material of it, like on the outside, just looks very fun and intriguing. And like when I saw them everywhere, I was like, oh my god, that looks so cool. So I just got this everywhere, all over my bathroom. Oh my gosh, it's like all over the floor. So I guess I'm just gonna leave this on for a little bit. This feels so relaxing and I feel very bougie right now. So I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit. Zach just texted me and said he's on his way home. I'm gonna throw on some pasta on the stove for him because he wants to make some sort of pasta dish. I don't know, but it's literally already 7:30. Oh my god. But I'm gonna leave this on my face. I look so scary.